Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a quick demonstration about Visual Studio Code 1632. I want to show you a handy little trick. First trick to close this window on the left is Control B. Oh, right, because I'm in an MD file, so Control B, that should close it. It does. And now if I hit Control tilde, it should close this down here, and it does. That's very useful. What I wanted to show you is right here. So if I hit Control space, it's going to prompt me for the items that I'm looking for. And so what I'm looking for, Control B, it's not going to open it for me again, but I go over here and take a look at the name of the folder I want. Support images. So I start typing SU and then Control spacebar, and you can see that it loads the images from that location. I hit the Enter key, save, and I've updated my changes, so I'm going to go ahead and just do that. Stage changes, updated, README. I click the arrow key, sync my changes. 2 seconds, it should be done. Let's go back to my GitHub page, which is right here. Control F5, and please work. So here is my okay. So list of tabs. List of tabs didn't work. That worked. Pros and cons tabs did work. Okay, so it did work. There's my new image. Just need to fix this one here. But anyway, that is a quick and easy way to load your changes from VS Code directly to GitHub, and again, the very useful aspect of right here, tab 10 says no, I don't want this one, so I'll go ahead and demonstrate it again. I don't want that one. I want this one. Control S. You can see my changes have been made. Stage changes, fix, enter, sync changes. And now if I go back here to my README, I should have a very narrow, there we go, list of tabs. Works very well. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.